What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I got a simple and quick tip that y'all should use if you don't got a scuff. If y'all got a scuff, just don't watch this video. But if you just got a regular Xbox and a regular PS4 controller, this video is for you. And let's jump right into the video. First thing first, for all my console players, I would recommend y'all to change your RB to B and your B to RB, if you get what I'm saying. So you'll be sliding with your RB instead of B, because when you're sliding with B, or if you're sliding with your thumbstick, I don't recommend sliding with your thumbstick because it's gonna affect your controller, give you stick drift over a certain amount of time. So I would recommend y'all to slide with your RB. It's gonna be a little bit tough at first, but just work on it 2 days, 3 days, and you should master this in no time. Slide with your RB. And yeah, hopefully this video help y'all, man. Hopefully y'all try this and improve your gaming. And I'm gonna show you some clips of me actually using this and shitting on some kids. And hopefully y'all like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And let's go.
Got you that time. Shit, I'm in this one.
Nossa, a arma.
Taking shots.
Your teammate sent
Fire.
losing ground.